here's your ultimate guide for making the perfect steak. Today we're cooking up a grass-fed ribeye that's juicy, flavourful and absolutely unforgettable. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're keeping it super simple, just salt, pepper, paprika and a touch of garlic powder. When the beef is this good and this fresh, you just gotta let it speak for itself. For best results, always let the steak marinate overnight. Yes.
Papa, why are you mine? You still like me?
Yes, I still like you. In the kitchen anymore.
No, Papa, I'm sorry.
So I'm going to serve the steak with classic mashed potatoes, tender stem broccoli, garlicky mushrooms and of course some homemade peppercorn sauce. I'm going to keep the mash really simple. I'm going to add some butter and some salt to some boiled potatoes. I'm also going to add a dash of milk and start mashing it. If you like this consistency, you can serve the mash like this, but the secret for a creamy smooth mash is always to blend the potatoes like so. And now to move on to the mushrooms, I'm going to fry them in some butter first. And my niece is back to help me peel some garlic. I'm just going to add some crushed garlic to the mushrooms. I'm going to add a pinch of mixed herbs. I'm also going to add some salt and pepper to taste. And to thicken it up, I'm going to add some gravy granules. I'm going to give that a good mix and simmer it for 15 minutes on a low heat. And that's all done. I'm just going to set it aside for later. Onto the tender stem broccoli. I'm going to boil this for 10 minutes on a high heat with a pinch of salt. And now onto cooking up the steak. I'm going to heat up a pan. So I'm going to very slightly grease the bottom of this pan with some oil. And the secret is to sear it on a very hot pan for 3 minutes on each side. The sound of that sizzle is the sound of the flavour locking right in. So today we're going for a golden crust with a tender medium rare centre. So after cooking it for 3 minutes on each side, I'm going to add a slab of butter in there with some garlic. And I'm just going to let that cook for another 2 minutes. And lastly, we're going to make that delicious peppercorn sauce. Here I've got a mutton cube. You can use whichever stock you like. I'm just going to add a glass of boiling water and leave it aside for later. So we're going to make the peppercorn sauce in the leftover steak juices to get that ultimate flavour. So we're going to add a slice of butter and some chopped onions. We're going to let that cook for a couple of minutes. We're now going to add the beef stock that we prepared earlier. And of course a generous amount of freshly ground peppercorns. So we're now going to let that simmer for 15 minutes on a very low heat. And now for the last step, I'm going to add some single or double cream and I'm going to let that simmer for another 5 minutes. have now plated everything up, and of course I needed to add a fried egg on there. It's really important to let your steak rest for about 5 minutes before you serve it, and that's how I make my simple steak dinner. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments. Till next time guys, see you later.